Hi bestie! Welcome to my channel, and before I begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my upcoming videos. So for today's vlog, let's talk about the common au pair interview with host family. So if you're aspiring au pairs, so this video is for you. Disclaimer lang po, yung au pair po dito sa Norway already stopped since March 15, 2024. But I'm giving tips po sa mga aspiring au pairs na makapag-apply pa rin as au pair sa ibang European countries like Netherlands, Finland, Denmark, Luxembourg, and Belgium. And to those who don't know me yet, I am Samantha, an au pair here in Norway, and I am a Filipina. So, before I jump in my main topic for today's video, I would like to highlight the basic qualifications or qualifications to apply as an au pair. So first, you should be 18 to 30 years old, no kids, not married, and high school graduates is good. Okay, bestie, let's begin. Okay, first question is, tell us about yourself. So, very common question na talaga to mga bestie. Common interview question. Kasi kahit mag-interview ka with your work or sa company, and tinatanong talaga to. Hindi talaga to mawawala. So, this question, guys, you will answer it in a very simple. Just like your full name, your age, your status, where do you live, what is your education background, what is your hobbies, ganon. Kasi dito sa pag-interview ng host family mo is gusto kanilang makilala. Kaya you should be honest about yourself. And naalala ko pala, bestie, ito yung unang question na tinanong sa akin ng aking host family during our interview. So, tapos na tayo sa number 1. Let's proceed to number 2. Why do you want to become an au pair? So, bestie, bago ka mag-apply as an au pair, dapat malaman mo muna kung ano yung meaning ng au pair. So, kasi mag-expect ka talaga, natatanungin ka talaga nitong question na to during your interview. Kasi ano ba yung motive mo? Bakit nag-a-apply ka as an au pair? So, yung sagot dito dapat, bestie, is dapat nakafocus din sa meaning ng au pair. So, di ba yung au pair is a cultural exchange program para makapag-share ka ng culture with them, ma-learn mo yung language nila, ma-taste mo yung food. So, yes, ganon. So, yung sagot is like, sasagutin mo like this way. I want to become an au pair so I can learn European culture, learn the language, taste their food, or what do you mean that? Yes, yung delicacies. And, of course, for example, maganda din pag i-highlight mo. For example, sa Netherlands ka, like, I want to visit the Netherlands to see the beautiful places in Netherlands. And, of course, since Netherlands is very famous in tulips fields, so, yun, sabihin mo na, gusto ko makita and ma-experience yung tulips. Diba? Ganun lang. Very simple lang talaga yung pagsagot, bestie. Okay, bestie. Tapos na tayo sa number 1 and number 2. Let's proceed to number 3. Itong number 3, guys, is importante talaga to. Kasi, since ang au pair is child care, kasi tutulong ka sa babysit, diba? Main task talaga yan ng au pair is yung mag-babysit. And about child care. So, yung tatlong question is, do you love kids or do you have experience with kids? Guys, hindi naman required yung may experience ka as an au pair. Hindi required yung dapat naging nanny ka before or nag-alaga ka ng bata, ganun. Hindi. As long as, do you know how to play with kids, take care with kids. For example, dahil meron kang kapatid, pwede mong sabihin na, yes, I love kids and I have experience with kids since I took care of my siblings when she was in ganito, ganyan. So, pwede mo yan sabihin. Kasi ako nga, wala naman akong experience sa pagiging nanny. Pero sinabi ko lang na, since Nagtumulong ako sa tita ko dati sa pag-aalaga ng cousins ko and sa kapatid ko since naiwan yung mga kapatid ko sa akin nung nagtatrabaho si mama sa Manila. So, ganun lang. Very ano lang talaga. Sabihin mo lang na yung ganito, marunong ka. For example, sabihin mo na sa kapatid mo na gumagawa ka ng lunchbox sa mga kapatid mo or tinuturuan mo yung mga kapatid mo ng kanilang lessons or assignments. Tapos, yun, sinasamahan mo yung mga kapatid mo sa mga school activities nila. So, experience na yun, guys. So, ayun lang for today's video, mga besties. Sana may natutunan kayo. And maybe next time, I will also make some questions na pwede nyong tanungin din sa inyong future host family during interview. Kasi maganda din sa interview if tinatanong nyo din sila ng mga mga questions na gusto nyo malaman about them. So, para makilala nyo sila. So, ayun lang mga bestie. Wala na akong sasabihin. So, I'm so very thankful lang talaga sa mga followers ko sa TikTok and dito sa YouTube. So, sana makahanap na kayo ng host family nyo and ma-experience nyo na din yung culture exchange program. And, syempre, ma-experience nyo din yung pag-travel. And also, besties, sa mga aspiring au pairs dyan na naghahanap ng agencies, you can visit my previous video about the legit agencies and website to apply as an au pair. So, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. So, yun lang mga bestie. Bye!